Oh great, here comes Karen and her split personalities.
Hello, Bubble Bass. I am Smart Karen. I am the brains behind this operation. And I'm Snarky Karen, the one with all the heat. And last but not least, I am Evil Karen, the one who will stop at nothing to take over the world. We have a proposition for you, Bubble Bass. We want you to build us a tree-eating upgrade known as Hydra Karen. Yeah, we figured since you're such a big fan of Ultraking Drago Golderire X, it would be right up your alley. Don't just stand there like an idiot. Say something. What's wrong with him?
Maybe he's so overwhelmed by a request that he can't speak.
Meow, meow. Or maybe he's just really shy, doesn't know how to respond.
Shut up, SpongeBob. Well, are you going to do it or not? Are you
Meow, meow, meow.
Oh, this is why we can never get anything done with idiots like him around.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Looks like we'll have to find someone else to build Hydra Karen. Let's go, ladies. Fine, but next time, let's not waste our time with incompetent fools.
Meow.
Oh, definitely. And I'm sure Bubble Bass is relieved he doesn't have to deal with them anymore. Looks like he finally found his voice.